Chào cả nhà, hello guys. I am Nina Tranley. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. The heat of summer is warming up, so today I will be sharing Vietnamese yogurt. Unlike American yogurt that is either sweet or sour, Vietnamese yogurt is delicately tangy, sweet, and silken-creamy. This recipe is super duper simple. It doesn't require an Instapot nor a hot water bath. What I like most about this recipe is that we don't have to buy the starting culture from the Vietnamese delis because we can start our first batch of Vietnamese yogurt using regular plain yogurt. Please join me in the kitchen so we can prepare this yummy meal together. Shall we get started? We only need a few ingredients to make Vietnamese yogurt. For the very first batch, we will need 1 cup of plain yogurt. I bought this whole milk plain yogurt from Walmart. We will also need 4 cups of milk. Here I am using whole milk. Besides boiling filtered water, we will need 1 can of 14-ounce sweetened condensed milk. Here I'm using the longevity brand, but any brand is fine. As for the yogurt jars, I have many different sizes here. I like the 16-ounce drinking mason jar, 8-ounce mason jar, and 4-ounce mason jar. I bought all of these jars from Target and Walmart. And I bought these adorable 3-ounce jars from Korean and Japanese markets or Amazon. Make sure all the jars are sanitized so we can keep the yogurt in the fridge longer than 2 weeks. You can boil the jars in boiling water for a few minutes and allow them to air dry. As for me, I already washed this jar clean and dry them with paper towels. Now I will put a few jars in the microwave at a time and run it for about 40 seconds without the lids. We will use a whole can of this 14-ounce of sweetened condensed milk. I like to use a spatula to get everything out of this can instead of adding boiling water into it because I almost burned my hand trying to pick up the aluminum can with hot water. Anyhow, add 1 1/3 cup of boiling water and stir until the condensed milk is completely dissolved. Now add 4 cups of whole milk to cool this mixture down and give them a good stir. In a separate measuring cup, add 1 cup of plain yogurt. Now add 1 cup of milk mixture and mix until the yogurt is completely dissolved. I don't add the plain yogurt directly into the big bowl of milk mixture because it is very difficult to completely dissolve the yogurt in a large volume of milk mixture. Now pass the yogurt mixture through a mesh strainer to make sure there are no lumps. These steps ensure our yogurt to have that silky, smooth textures. Press these lumps through the mesh strainer using the spatula. At this time, we need to set the oven to bake and preheat it to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It is about 94 degrees Celsius. I like to keep all the jars in a tray for easy transportation. Pour the yogurt mixture to the rim of each jar like this. Save about 8 ounces of yogurt mixture and pour it into a big jar. Label it as do not eat because this will be used as the starting culture for our next 5 to 6 batches, so we don't have to buy the blend yogurt from the store. Close all the jars with the lids. By now, the oven has already reached 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This next step is very important, guys. We need to turn the oven off. Place the whole tray in the oven and close the oven door tight. I normally make Vietnamese yogurt a night before, say around 8 p.m. Let the incubation process does its magic for 10 to 12 hours. The next morning around 6 a.m. or 8 a.m., I have yummy Vietnamese yogurt ready to be stored in the fridge. Our Vietnamese yogurts have been incubated for 10 hours since last night. Let's do a flip test. Yay! The yogurt stay put and they don't drop down. This is a big success, guys. I learned this recipe from my big sister Lina Tranley. Her original recipe was sweeter and denser, so add less hot water if you prefer your yogurt to be sweeter and denser. Anyhow, this is how my family enjoys our Vietnamese yogurt. Mr. Pham loves the sweet, tangy, and silken-creamy, so he eats the yogurt plain. Look at how silky this is. No sign of watery yogurt, and the aroma is amazing. Our 12-year-old daughter loves fresh fruit, especially berries, so she adds them into the yogurt for added colors and health benefits. As for me, I love mine with crushed ice along with a squeeze of lime or lemon juice, or sometimes a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. 2 days ago, I made a batch of 8 tall mason jars, the 16 ounces drinking jars, using the same recipe. For this, I make 1 cup per jar, leaving room on the top for crushed ice. Squeeze in some citrus juice and mix them up really well. This super duper tasty yogurt drink is so refreshing during the hot summer months that Mr. Pham and our son would join in for the yogurt drink but without the citrus juice to achieve the similar flavor as Yaourt. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.